Here we have a 67 plate BMW 530D M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £11,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention some though, we do have the M Sport Plus package and also the Comfort package. We have the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We also have the black exterior paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and also the front splitter as well. Now this vehicle also has the M Performance kit, so as we walk around to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We do also have colour-coded door handles, we have the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll also find the shark fin antennae. We also have the rear spoiler lip just there on the tailgate. Now we do also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the dual exit exhaust at the back and also the rear diffuser, and there's a look at the rear. Coming back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And if we take a look now at the interior quickly, so inside of the back first, you'll find the full black leather interior. We have the foldable armrest in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. Electric windows on the doors. Again at the front, the same leather seats, with both front seats being heated, also electrically adjustable. We've got the Harman Kardon sound system, ambient lighting, electric mirrors, electric windows. We also have the memory function on the driver's seat, automatic lights, automatic wipers, and a multifunctional steering wheel. I'm just going to take a seat inside. You'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. Steering wheel is also electrically adjustable with the stalk just down there. The camera will focus. We also have the speedometer and the cruise control on the left hand side. High beam assist as well on that stalk there. Paddle shifters either side, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. We also have the heads-up display just up here. The camera can pick it up. If any lights or screens are flickering, it is just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. Main infotainment screen, currently showing the sat-nav. Also has many more features you would have seen on the photos, but we do have the shortcuts down here. Click onto media, you find the radio stations along with the other media options here on the left hand side. We then have the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for making phone calls. And if you go onto the main menu, then go to My Vehicle, onto the settings, you find the interior ambient lighting, many colours which you can go through on here. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down, we also have the vents, dual zone climate control, heated seats either side, and the ice-cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, so we can just press these buttons and quickly switch between the different drive modes. Also changing the look of the dashboard for different drive modes. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Put it back into park just like so. We then have the electric handbrake and auto hold button. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.